Greetings and salutations. I'm Amari Williams from Miss Messner's class.
And I'm Malachi Hansen, also from Miss Messner's class. And thanks for tuning in to watch Burnside today.
Today is Thursday, December 21st, 2017. Be sure to set out your recycling tub out so it can be picked up after the news.
Yep, if we save a tree today by recycling, we'll have oxygen tomorrow.
That's right. Plants give off oxygen that people need, and people breathe out carbon dioxide that plants need.
I guess you could say we're BFFs.
I mentioned earlier that today is December 21st. If you live on the northern half of planet Earth, there's something special about today.
I think I know what Amari's talking about. It has to do with the sun. Any of you know what we're talking about?
Raise your hand if you think you do, and wait for your teacher to call on you.
Did any of you say that today is special because it's the shortest day of the year? That's not exactly right. Every day is 24 hours.
But today will have less daylight than any other day of the year. It's called the winter solstice, and it officially happens at exactly 10:28 this morning.
So starting tomorrow, we will be having more daylight every day.
Some people will say that days start getting longer, but remember, every day has 24 hours. Just the amount of daylight gets longer.
This happens due to the fact that Earth is slightly tilted. If you want to learn more about this, ask your teacher. We're moving on to birthdays.
We have a couple half birthdays today. Andrew G. from Mrs. Gore's class and Nevaeh G. from Miss Latch's class both have summer birthdays. So we'll wish you a happy birthday today. Happy birthday!
Celebrating their actual birthdays today are Lindsay W. from Mr. Franti's class and educational assistant Mrs. Jagger. May you two find a fun way to spend the day.
Don't plan on sitting outside and catching some rays. It won't be much daylight, remember.
Our Terrific 12 focus this week is I work wisely, I complete my classwork and homework in a neat, accurate, and timely manner.
Now, if you're wondering what the word timely means, we'll give you an example.
If your mom tells you you have to clean your room in 30 minutes and you finish in 6 hours, you didn't finish it in a timely manner.
Sounds like teachers are going to let their hair down and have some fun tonight.
Don't forget, adult staff, tonight is your progressive dinner.
I know one teacher who won't be letting their hair down tonight.
Who's that?
That would be Mr. Holmes. Male pattern baldness. My dad has that. What can you do?
Thanks for tuning in, everybody. I'm Malachi.
And I'm Amari. Now we invite all students and staff to turn their attention to the flag for reciting the Pledge of Allegiance and the Learner's Way.
Hi, my name is Evan Horn from Mrs. Franti's class, and we are here to tell you about some birthdays.
That's right. I'm Matthew Fisher from Miss Wycheck's class, and we aren't talking about just any birthdays.
Nope, I'm Lindsay Ward from Mr. Francis' class, and we are here about the winter break birthdays.
I'm Nina Schaefer from Miss Spencer's class, and as you all know, we also celebrate half birthdays here at Burnside, which means there are a lot of names to read off.
So without further ado, here are the Burnside friends who will be celebrating their real or half birthdays over the first few days of winter break.
We just have one birthday student celebrating her birthday on December 5th, Christmas Day. Happy holiday to Gwen K. from. I hope you get to celebrate double on Monday.
Gwen may be the only person who celebrated her real birthday on Christmas, but we have 4 people celebrating their half birthdays on that day. Happy birthday on Christmas Day Claudia's class, Gavin P. from Miss Seafeld's class, Haley L. from Mrs. Wachek's class, and none other than our wonderful third grade teacher, Mrs. Glover.
Moving on to Tuesday, December 26th, is Sierra A from Mr. Lahammer's class, and Kira S from Miss Gore's class, celebrating their real birthdays.
Reagan S. from Mrs. Gore's class and Kira N. from Mrs. Elber's class will be celebrating their happy birthdays on Tuesday too.
We will finish up with Wednesday, December 27th. Happy official birthday to Caitlin K. from Miss Tepley's class, Lucas B. from Mrs. Glover's class, and Desmond H. from Mrs. Jetson's class. Celebrating their half birthdays on Wednesday is Haley J. from Mrs. Irvis' class.
All right, that wraps up our special report for today.
If your birthday is between December 8th and January 1st, don't worry.
Another crew of special reporters will be back after tomorrow's news to announce your birthdays. January 2nd birthdays and beyond will be on the normal news. Then we get back to regular school days.
Thanks for tuning in. Have a happy Thursday.
Bye!
Ready? Begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Begin.
As a member of our Burnside